What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on this crypto called Gas, which has pumped up nearly 30% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $8.10. As you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it has been constantly gaining value, so we're going to be looking at, can it hit the $10 mark anytime soon, potentially over the coming days? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? Essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy the crypto, or if you are looking to sell, is now the right time to sell and take out your profits? And also covering its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can gas go? And going into 2024, is this a crypto to be investing into, and is it a must-have in your portfolio? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which is very interesting. As you guys can see, we have literally broken out from all the zones and currently trading in the top tier level. So where is it heading to next? It either has to break out from here or drop back down, which we will be having a look later on in the video. So for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line here, giving us the average value of gas, which is here at $4.14. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at $8.16, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from gas over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting gas to have gone for an overall increase in value, potentially trading around $8.40 to $8.50 is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at towards the end of the day today. But again, as you guys can see, it is a very minimal gain in value, so we are likely to expect red candles in between as well. Quite volatile up and down, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours. You can see both green and red candles, but the overall outcome has been positive, and that is exactly what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are still looking very bullish guys. Got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, the graph is looking quite steep guys. As you can see, the lines are looking very steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks it's going to carry on that way and keep pumping at that pace. However, that is not the case. In fact, what I am expecting from gas over the next 7 to 8 days guys, so let's say towards the end of next week, is an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Potentially heading to around the $9 mark is what I'm expecting from gas towards the end of next week. But again, that also includes the red days that are likely to take place in between as well. I'm not expecting over the next 7 to 8 days for this crypto to be hitting green candles every single day. Of course not. It is likely to take a little bit of a step back in between, hit a red day where it's going to take a little bit of a drop in value, but not a major drop. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. So guys, do expect an overall increase in value, potentially to around $9 towards the end of next week. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Exact same guys, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this isn't realistic, and the exact same reason applies here. So what are my predictions over the next 6 to 8 weeks? So mid to late December 2023, I am expecting that gas should be heading over the $11 mark, or $11 by the end of the year. We should be seeing it at much higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially even hitting about $12-13, depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs as well. As I mentioned before, I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit for around $40,000 by the end of the year, and I still stick by that. And yeah, if that does take place, the crypto market is going to be moving towards the positive direction, heading upwards towards the bullish side, and including gas as well, hitting about $12 to $13 by the end of the year, or much higher than that, depending on how the crypto market performs. So on to the interesting bit, guys. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, earlier on this month, or even late last month, guys, 26th of last month, which was October, we broke out from the red zone heading into the green zone. A day later, broke out again. We've broken out each and every resistance target, and currently trading at the top tier level here. So yes, over the coming days, I'm expecting it to drop back into the blue zone here, which is around the $6 mark, or just over $6, and then for it to head back into the top tier level here, heading over the $9 mark. Over the next week and a half, we should be heading upwards, and potentially gas, the highest has been was $9.53, so I'm expecting it to more or less go past that target. Let's have a look here. Or even, well, if you want to take it back to 2018, then it did hit $80, but I'm talking about the last couple of years, the highest has been was around $9. So hopefully we should be able to get past that over the month or two, and by the end of the year being able to trade over $13-14. But yeah, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 40%, making it $544 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. It is gaining a huge amount of value, especially in the last 7 days. It's gained 150%, and over the month 245%. In not even a month, guys, as you can see, started on the 22nd of October, which was just about 11-12 days ago. So in 2 weeks, guys, it's gained nearly 250% increase, which is quite impressive. But again, guys, if you guys are looking to invest, make sure you got your risk management on point. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on gas, a highly requested video. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.